If you find yourself in this situation, then you have come to the right place. And in this video, I will show you a trick how you can fix your non-waterproof GoPro Hero 7 again and enjoy it as it is an action camera. Hey, welcome back and Assalamu alaikum. As you know that this channel is all about adventure, travel, food and culture, and also tips and tricks for the gear which is used in these activities. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. I have bought this GoPro Hero 7 a month and a half ago, and like last week I just took this cap away from this GoPro Hero 7, and now I cannot fix it. And if you are in the same situation, then you have come to the right video. At the end of the video, I will show you which accessory or which rig you can use actually to make your GoPro Hero 7 even much more usable. First of all, let's fix this. So now you can see that here I have taken this out. This is the cap here, and if you try this right here, it is even almost impossible to fix it, right? But the trick here is that you take this little sting out here. So now we have taken it out. As you can see this, now this is out, and now it will be quite easily fixed in here, which actually took me a month. And now you can actually fix this in this little rod which is placed here, and here you go. Now you have fixed this. It's only a small little trick. See this now? But I have one bonus here, and the bonus is that if you want to use your GoPro Hero 7 or GoPro Hero 8 and 9, whatever, you can use even a small cage, which is very usable, which is very useful in all the circumstances, and this is this Ulanzi. You can see. And by the way, this video is not sponsored by Ulanzi. So if anyone from Ulanzi watching this, maybe you can become good friends, right? So what you can do here is that you have this Ulanzi case, right? You can put this in here and just quite easy, just like this, right? Just place this inside here. So yes, so like this here. Now this is fixed. Now what you can do here, that in this Ulanzi cage, there is also on the side here which you can take out, and quite easily without removing this side of the GoPro Hero 7, you can use this USB-C, and so like this. If I can open it, yes. So see, you can use it without even have to remove this, right? The original case which comes with the GoPro Hero 7 or 8 or 9, I mean, I don't know about 8 or 9, but I know about 7, this is actually practically not usable, right? So you have to take it all away, and it's a total waste of time. But this Ulanzi cage, which comes with the built-in ND filter adapter, is very useful, where you can also make very good videos outside, and you can also use it very practically. And it also has a couple of adapter to fix your external light and your external mic, and it also has an external mic adapter which you can get from GoPro, which can also fit in down here. And what other benefit of this is that it also has here this little cold mount shoe, which you can fix here, and also here the cold mount shoes you have there, which you can use for extra accessories. So this is very handy, and the original one which comes with the GoPro is not usable. And at any point in time, you can actually go down in the description where you will find all the links, and if you want to buy, you can buy it from there, and in that way you will be supporting this channel to make such kind of videos and provide you some entertainment and also tips and tricks. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe it, and I will see you in the next video. Boom.